Ever been driving and suddenly a strange light pops up on your dashboard? A red engine, a blinking battery, or that mysterious yellow symbol you've been ignoring? The modern-day dashboard comes with many warning lights that indicate problems occurring in your vehicle or alert you in advance the key areas which require an immediate check. And to take a timely action, it is highly important for any car owner to understand the car dashboard warning lights. What if I told you some of these lights could destroy your engine in minutes, while others are just simple reminders? In this video, I'll break down all the major dashboard warning lights, what they mean, and exactly what you should do, whether you're a beginner, car owner, or even a technician. Watch till the end, because one of these lights could save you thousands in repair costs. And if you are new to this channel, hit the notification button and subscribe to this channel for more basic knowledge about cars. Okay, let's dive in. 1. The check engine warning light is one of the most common warning lights you'll see on your dashboard. In some cars, the check engine warning light may be red instead of yellow or orange, or replaced by the words check engine. The check engine warning light is the most feared warning light for drivers and may come on in two ways. If the light is steady, you must immediately make an appointment with a trusted mechanic. They can use an appropriate self-diagnosis tester to identify the problem that caused the light to come on. If the light comes on intermittently, there could be a problem with the catalytic converter. This type of warning requires more attention. The warning light can indicate various malfunctions related to the injection system, exhaust system, fuel supply, or accelerator pedal sensor. Although it is possible to drive with the engine warning light on, avoiding driving for a prolonged period or subjecting the car to excessive strain is advisable. 2. The engine temperature warning light. The engine temperature warning light indicates the car's engine is overheating, which may lead to significant engine damage. It means your cooling system is malfunctioning and the engine cannot cool properly. Stop the vehicle as soon as possible in a safe place. Pay attention to this warning light because the engine could be seriously damaged if you ignore it. Check the coolant levels, and if low, top up. Be careful, the cooling system is pressurized. Allow the engine to cool down completely before adding more coolant. 3. The engine oil pressure warning light. The engine oil pressure warning light indicates the engine's oil pressure is low. When the engine is running, oil is pumped throughout the engine to lubricate its moving parts. If the oil pressure drops below a certain level, it can cause damage to the engine. This could be due to low oil levels, a faulty oil pump, a faulty oil pressure sensor, or an oil filter clogged by debris that could restrict oil flow. Stop the engine immediately and do not restart it. 4. The battery charge warning light. This warning light appears when the car is turned on. But if this doesn't go off few seconds after the engine starts, then that means that there is a problem with your car's electrical system. Possible causes: alternator failure, loose belt, wiring issues. 5. The brake warning light. The brake warning light comes on when the handbrake is applied. If it stays on all after you fully release, the parking brake comes on when you're driving, it means that the parking brake lever or pedal must be adjusted. The brake pads are worn and must be replaced. Or the hydraulic system is defective and is probably losing pressure or fluid. 6. Airbag warning light. When the airbag warning light on your dashboard turns red, it's not good news. It means that something's not okay with your airbag safety system. 3 things could cause the problem: the airbag system itself, the front passenger classification system, which ensures the airbag deploys safely, or the seatbelt tightener, which ensures your seatbelt is snug in case of a crash. Since the airbag system is a passenger safety system in the event of an accident, it is important to have the car checked as soon as possible. 7. ABS warning light. The ABS warning light indicates that there's a problem with your car's anti-lock braking system. This system helps prevent your wheels from locking up during hard braking, and a malfunction can reduce your ability to stop quickly.
8. Power steering warning light. If this light is illuminated, then it means that there is an issue with your power steering, which translates your steering, turning the movement into a heavy mode in which you will need an extra effort to make your car move. 9. The coolant level warning light. The coolant level warning light comes on when the coolant level gets too low, and the light reminds you to top it up. Do not ignore this warning light. Coolant is an important element for proper engine operation. An engine that is not properly cooled will overheat and become damaged. 10. Diesel particulate filter, warning light. Most modern vehicles are fitted with diesel particulate filter, which removes harmful soot from the exhaust gases so as to reduce emissions. If this filter becomes faulty, the light will appear on the dashboard. Fault in this will lead to the releasing of the black smoke every time. There's a press on the accelerator and also can cause damage to the engine. 11. The tire pressure warning light. The tire pressure warning light comes on when the tire pressure is too low. Tire pressure drops over time or because the tire has punctured. Low tire pressure can cause driving problems, so reduce speed and try to avoid sudden braking or violent steering maneuvers. Inflate your tires at the nearest gas station or go straight to the tire shop for a checkup. 12. The traction control warning light. If your car's wheels lose traction while driving, the traction control system assists you in maintaining control of the vehicle. The traction control warning light is typically illuminated when the system is in use, indicating that your car has briefly lost traction while navigating a sharp turn or driving on wet roads. However, the traction control light may also indicate that the system has been disabled or has an issue, so it is important to be cautious while driving when the light is on. 13. The brake pad wear indicator. Light sensor detects excessive wear, with serious consequences for the brake system's performance and the car's safety. It warns you that it is time to replace your brake pads before it is too late. 14. The powertrain malfunction warning light. The powertrain consists of the engine, transmission, and various components that work together to transfer power to the wheels. When this warning light illuminates, it could indicate various issues, such as a malfunctioning transmission or a faulty sensor. It is important to deal promptly with any issues indicated by the drivetrain or powertrain warning light to avoid more severe issues. 15. Seat belt reminder. This light will keep on illuminating until you and all the passengers put their seat belts. The light may be accompanied by a buzzer sound too. 16. Low fuel notification. If it is not functioning properly, then it must be checked immediately, or else you will face troubles with your fuel refueling intervals. 17. Glow plug warning. It is used in diesel vehicles. No attempt must be made to start the vehicle until this light is gone. The light also alerts the user when the fault is detected in the engine management. 18. Open door indicators. This symbol is turned on when the driver starts the car and one or more doors are not closed properly. When you close all the doors properly, this will turn off. 19. Cruise control. This light will be turned on when the cruise control is in the active mode. Not every vehicle has this feature. 20. AWD indicator. It indicates that the all-wheel drive is activated. Again, not every car has this feature. ESP bus. Light. It functions to inform the driver about a potential problem with the electronic stability program technology. It is very much similar to ABS indicator. 22. Turn signals. Without a doubt, the most important indicators for any car. These turn signals are activated once the driver changes direction and uses the indicator. 23. High beam light. It is activated when the driver activates the high beam mode of the headlights. Its use is mainly limited to highway driving. One must avoid driving on high beam in narrow roads as you will not get any idea about the potholes. And lastly, a lane assist warning light, usually a yellow or green car icon with lane markings, indicates the status of your vehicle's lane keeping system, often illuminating when the camera cannot detect lane lines. The system is disabled or a malfunction occurs. Causes include dirty sensors, bad weather, or low system voltage, often resolved by cleaning the windshield camera. When a car warning light, steady or flashing, red or yellow, appears on your car's dashboard, it is essential to remain calm and not panic. Reacting calmly can help you assess the situation and take appropriate measures to avoid further damage or danger. You should consider stopping the car immediately if, with the engine warning light, there are other lights on, such as those relating to the engine overheating, the oil level or coolant level, and the exhaust gas temperature gauge.